We got a pretty weird video today, boys. A quite possible dilemma. It's alright though, like I'm pretty used to these, so like I think we'll be fine. Back in action, we're back in the action, boys. Dudes, boys, my guys, girls, thank you so much for joining back. That was so weird, I hated that. Thank you so much for joining back. I just want to ask you one thing. Actually, I gotta tell you one thing real quick. YouTube took down a couple more of my videos yesterday. It's been happening for a long time because I used to suck on YouTube. Apparently, I thought it was funny, but it's not, apparently. So if you guys want to really help me out and just get me shared more, because when that happens, I don't get shared, that'd be sick. All you guys gotta do is thumbs up, comment down below, it means the world. Follow me on Instagram if you want to, and I guess while you're at it, if you want to help me get my girlfriend to stop cheating on me, that'd be awesome. Anyway, thank you guys so much for that. We're gonna get into this video. I think it's gonna be kind of weird. It's gonna be very weird to talk about, I think. So anyway, first things first, man, a shout out from our sponsors over at Rose Gold and Black. Boys, they're our favorite people in the world, or at least it's my favorite people in the world, kind of. I mean, it was my girlfriend, but then she cheated on me. I gotta stop this. She watches these, man. It's not a good look. I'm joking, by the way. Anyway, boys, I'm always so stoked when we have the sponsors like Rose Gold and Black. One, because they've been rocking with us forever, which also makes me feel like not a part of them. Like, I'm not gonna take any credit, but like I feel like I've grown with these guys so much, because these guys aren't just a brand, bro. They're a lifestyle, at least for me at this point, and I guarantee you down the road these guys are gonna be freaking seen everywhere. Anyway, Rose Gold and Black, what do they sell? Chains, watches, rings, what else? There's a lot. Chains, watches, rings, what other things or accessories? Bracelets! They're all so sick on the website, boys. Go check them out. As you can see, I'm always wearing this right here, but I'm not wearing anything now because we also have an unboxing from them real quick. Anyway, what I'm trying to say to you guys is I'm so stoked on where they're going with their brand. These guys are so dope. We got 4 things right here. I just want to show them off. This is like a bonus part of the video, bro. I unboxed them, but I haven't looked at them yet. So the first thing they sent me right here. Oh, that's sick! So here's the thing about Rose Gold and Black, boys. They're all with the minimal style. You don't gotta pay a lot of money to look real sick. Beautiful chain they sent right here. We're gonna get into the other one. One thing I just really want to say. Oh, this one's gold! Please, please, please be a bracelet. Please be a bracelet. It's a bracelet! I guessed that right. I guessed that right. Yeah, I can't swear on sponsorships. I'm going gold today. What a beautiful piece, boys. Blow! We also got another one right here, boys. This is just a nice gold chain, which I will put it on now. Okay, and then we got another one in silver. That's a bracelet in silver. Let's go! Woo! Rose Gold and Black right now. If you find one of these in one of their newest products that they're selling, it's a Rose Gold and Black VIP Club chip. You find one of these in your package, you're gonna get a free from them, complimentary if you will. I think that's a cool word, so I'll say it. 2 chains and 2 bracelets, which I'm assuming is this right here. And if you find one of these chips, boys, make sure to DM them. That's how you're gonna get your jewelry from them. Not only that, they also have 40% off on their website right now with the link down below, boys. You gotta act fast. It's only up for the month. Now, that's not only it. Once you add something to your cart, boys, all you have to do is go to checkout. Then you see that little thing up there? Find something you want for free. It's complimentary once again on them. I'm gonna keep using the word. Rose Gold and Black is hitting you up. You're pretty much getting 2 for 1 already. Then you got 40% off. And then you can also get one of these Rose Gold and Black chips that's gonna freaking get you even more free stuff. So this is dope. Rose Gold and Black, we appreciate them so much. Let's get on to this video, bro. So apparently Lil Pump is apparently mad at us, boys. Now you guys know how this goes. I'm gonna explain it real quick. I wake up or I see things through the day when I check my phone on Instagram and I see a bunch of messages from you guys telling me to check out the same thing. I'm gonna probably make a video on it and react. And I say probably because sometimes it's just like a bunch of Selena Gomez stuff and like I think I've already creeped her out enough. But in this case, boys, you guys hit me up about an apparent Lil Pump video of like him talking about me. First off, here's what I saw last night. There's a screenshot right there. Somebody sent me something like that. I just went to bed. I woke up this morning and throughout the day I was getting more messages from you guys talking about Lil Pump talking about me. It was at least a handful of you guys, so I was like, this is kind of weird. Then I found this one right here, this freaking message, and I'm like, now it's getting real weird. Let me ask you to send me the video or something, because like I didn't want to check it out before reacting on camera. So what I did is I asked these people that were telling me that Lil Pump was talking about me. I'm gonna say it right now, I doubt he is. I'm not that big for him to actually make a video about me. Like I'm not that stupid. Don't kid yourself, Brad. Just a little bit I'm stupid. Just a lot I'm stupid, actually. But I want to see what you guys are talking about, boys. We're gonna check out this video of apparently Lil Pump talking about me, and if that happens, I'm not scared or anything, but I think he might have guns, so that'd suck. But I love you, Lil Pump. Not! Shut up, Borat, bro. Alright, boys, I've got a video that one of you guys sent me. It looks to be 13 seconds, looks to be from Instagram. Let's go.
Do not believe the internet. That shit is all cat, bruh. 90,000? That's on my wrist right now. Huh. Another 90? That's on my neck. Don't play with my body.
Ah! He's gonna kill me. He's gonna kill me. Is it the chain video that I made where I said he was fake jewelry? I'm just kidding. Boys, what the hell was that? I see where you were getting at, maybe? I don't know. I think I've just now been trolled again, which kind of sucks. Yeah, no. Why did you send me that? That sucks. Did you think it's because that I made jewelry videos talking about them? I don't know. I'm not even gonna try. What the hell? I trust you boys to send me the— oh, I got a good idea, actually. Okay. I'm thinking, I thought this is not how my mind works, so I feel like y'all are pranking me or something like that. What if I call my mom and tell her a rapper's after me? My mom, I grew up doing prank calls, and it's funny. Of course I called— this is gonna be good. Of course I called all the random— okay, first off, let's talk about this. No, that's not about me, boys. I don't know what that's about. It's definitely not about me. I grew up, of course, calling pizza places and stuff like that, but I'd always prank call my mom. I'm just thinking out loud right now, because we gotta make this video good. I gotta call my mom and tell her a rapper's after me. She's probably gonna freak out. Let me call her real quick. Hopefully she answers. This could be good. This will be better. A little prank call. She falls for it every time, boys. I've been doing this since I was 9 to her. Alright, boys. I'm gonna see if she picks up. I don't even know what to say yet. Damn it. I didn't even think about this.
You have reached the voicemail.
I'm gonna have to frickin' sit here and wait for her to call me back, or I'm gonna have to call her back. I wanted to finish this video. I didn't think it would be— you guys got me excited that Lil Pump was mad at me. That would have been sick. Alright, I'm gonna wait for a call. This video might be up late. I don't know what she's doing right now. Prank call is what we're after. Alright, boys, was just editing up this video. I'm trying to make this video good for you guys. My mom just called, so I'm gonna call her back real quick. It's a little break in between. I don't even know what— frick, I didn't even think about what to say.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, Brandon. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm good. I just had like kind of a concern. Do you know the rapper Lil Pump?
The what?
The rapper Lil Pump?
The pump?
Lil Pump.
Yeah?
I don't know, he's a rapper anyway. I don't know, like some people were like telling me online today that he made a video about me, and like, I don't know, they were like, watch out bro, like he's mad, and he's got boys.
What?
Yeah. So I was thinking about, I don't know, like getting protection, and I'm not talking like Trojan condoms, like actually just like trying to like strap up or something. Like I have no idea what to do. It sounds like it's not going to be good.
Why is he mad at you?
I guess I made a video like SHIT talking to him, and I don't know, he was super pissed about it. So I don't know, I've got a message from a few of his boys talking about like, you're dead tomorrow or in a week. Like we know you're in Canada. Yeah, they had the address and everything. I don't know how they found it. So.
Okay, what the hell, Brandon?
Yeah, I know. So, I'm thinking if you have any, like, I know you would say go to the police, but you know how I used to, like, kind of hang out with some bad people? I'm thinking about taking care of it that way.
No.
Like, they'll just have my back or something, you know?
No. I think you need to go to the police, Brandon.
Okay. Well, I can't because he's really rich.
What?
He's really rich. Money buys you out of everything, so.
Brandon, you need to go to—
like, somebody told me that, like, one of his boys told me they were gonna chop off my dick.
What?
That's what I'm scared about.
Are you lying, Brandon? Is this a joke?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Oh my god, you did it to me again?
I'm sorry. Every time, Mom. No, I'm just filming a video. No, people sent me— I'm sorry, I love you. No, people just sent me things that they thought Lil Pump was talking, like, about me, like, in a video, but it wasn't— it was clearly not me.
Oh my god,
so I'm making a video on that.
You did it again?
Yeah, and then it didn't work out, so I thought I'd just call you.
Oh my god.
Love you. Sorry. Was it the chopping off the wiener part that got you, or what?
Yes, it was the chopping off the wiener part, Brandon. I'm not gonna believe you somebody's gonna chop off your wiener. My God.
I,
You blew it with the wiener, Brandon.
I'm sorry. Yeah, I had to add some comedy into it. Say what's up to the boys, and I'm gonna let you go. And I'm gonna,
Did you tape this?
Yeah, you're on tape. That cool?
Are you lying?
Lying about what part? The wiener part?
you
No, the
tape
taping
this?
part? Yes. What? No, yeah, I taped it.
Are you lying?
Yeah, I taped it.
Oh my God.
Yeah. There's a couple things I'm gonna have to bleep out, but that's fine. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. I gotta finish off this video. Love you.
Brandon, have you been vaccinated?
Okay, Mom. I don't talk about that on camera.
What?
I don't get political on camera. Alright, boys. Anyway, there she is. My mom went on a tangent for a second. I had to cut off the camera. I appreciate you guys so much for watching. I'm sorry to myself and you guys that Lil Pump actually wasn't mad at me. I was kind of hoping that would be the case. But you guys rock, man. Thumbs up, comment down below. Y'all work in the game, the greatest of all time. Blow.